Okay, we are just about ready to roll out of camp, get the final few things put in the van, and we're ready to get out of here. This was a cool little stop, definitely a well-used campground. I took a couple walks around here and pretty much every site was occupied. Of course, I was here during the weekend. Notice a lot of people are taking off this morning. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to roll on out of here, head towards Superior, Arizona, make a stop there to check out the town, and then probably going to move on to the Gold Canyon area of Arizona, all within about 60 miles of here. So it should be short driving today, and hopefully can meet up with my friends. All right, let's roll. Well, this campground worked out perfect for my route and situation. I was not planning on camping here. The tentative plans I had fell through, and I needed a place to stay for a couple days, and this worked out great. I spent 2 nights here, Friday and Saturday night. Very quiet, even though it's pretty much full up. Very respectful campers here. I did notice right up front in the flats here, where this grass is you can get a cell signal sometimes. See ya, Oak Flat. Thank you. We're going to be getting back on Highway 60 heading west. Away we go. Okay, we're gonna make our way out of Superior, Arizona. There's not a whole lot going on here. A couple places to eat. Kind of neat. A lot of stuff displaying the mining history here. I only have about a 20-mile drive. So we're going to head towards the Arizona Renaissance Festival. The couple that Kelly and I worked with in Alaska just last summer worked this Renaissance Festival in the winter months here in Arizona. So I reached out to them, see if it'd be cool if I stopped by, check it out, and possibly inquire about working there next year. I didn't realize this was such a big event. They've got a bunch of signs about event traffic. Slow the speed down to 45 here on this highway. Wow, it really gets backed up. Oh, I don't know if I want to do this. It's like really busy. That's like worse than Disneyland. Huh. Well, we'll see. Let this guy get off my tail. Wow, I had no idea. Maybe I should have visited them on an off day. Holy crap. Yeah, I might skip this. I don't know if I can do that big of a crowd. Huh. Okay, I might have to pull over here and give this some thought. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and skip the Renaissance Festival. I'm probably still going to go back tomorrow when they're actually closed, and maybe I can get a behind-the-scenes look at things. But it's backed up I've already passed about 5 miles of backed up traffic heading that way. I'm lucky I'm coming from the other direction. I'd be sitting in traffic for a good part of the day. So as usual, plans are written in jello as a nomad. Got to be really flexible. And I'm just not feeling fighting with crowds today. So I do have some stuff I can take care of in Mesa. I need to go to a corporate Verizon store and make some adjustments to my plan and get a new mobile hotspot. So I'm going to be doing that, and maybe I'll reach out to my friends there and let them know that I'll try to stop by tomorrow. But yeah, it's still backed up. I mean, I'm like 6 miles out and it's still bumper to bumper. Stop and go. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on that. Okay, I had one of those days where it seems like nothing goes right. I was in the Mesa, Arizona area trying to take care of some business with my mobile internet, and it just didn't go as planned. Had a lot of problems. My debit card ended up getting locked up, so I had to take care of that before I could proceed. So it's just been a long day of headaches. Spent last night in the Walmart parking lot in town, and that went fine, but I just don't sleep well in those parking lots. So I found a spot about 10 miles out of town. Looks like I can get out of the city and spend the night there. So I'm going to do that. It's probably going to get dark on us by the time we find a spot, but we'll try to take you along and we'll get regrouped and continue on this adventure in the morning. All right, we're gonna call this an overnight camp. It's actually really beautiful out here. Right up at the base of these mountains. The sunset is lighting them up. Nice. And we might see a little bit of precipitation here. These clouds are looking like they're dropping some rain over here. Man, look at that sunset though, right? All right, well, I found this place to camp here that's not right on the main dirt road. That was just kind of because I pulled in there at sunset. But my buddy Nick was able to come out and meet up. I actually am just meeting him for the first time, but I feel like I know him because I've been following his YouTube channel, Captain Narkhill, for geez, a few years now. So Nick, what's up, man? Thanks for coming out.
Greetings, hi, hello. I'm actually meeting Brian for the first time. This is super surreal because I also feel like I know him, but we've actually never met, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just surreal meeting you in the flesh, man. This is awesome.
Right on, pretty rad. And this is Nick's Jeep over here. We're actually gonna go do some exploring in it. He's got a nice Jeep setup. A lot of his videos, he's going on some Jeep adventures. So we're gonna go out on a Jeep adventure of our own, and then we'll talk a little bit more with Nick and what he's been up to. He did the van life thing for a while, and we'll get his input on how that went for him. But for now, we're gonna go hit the hills and have some fun. Yee-hoo. All right, well, our exploring adventures have come to an end today. Nick is going to take off, but we're going to reconvene tomorrow. I'm going to give him a hand with some things around his house, and then hopefully we can get out and do a hike and just talk some more. He's got a van for sale, so we're going to check out and give you guys a glimpse. So we'll meet up tomorrow, man.
Sounds like a plan.
Continue hanging out. Thanks.
That was a fun time.
Appreciate you coming out and meeting me here, man.
Yeah.
Well, looks like we're in for another beautiful day. The sun is just coming up here at camp, starting to light up the mountains. And this camp worked out really good. Moved over here. First night I spent here, I camped right on the main dirt road. And then once Nick showed up yesterday after we got done hanging out, moved over to this spot here. Nice and quiet. Few people camped around here. Got someone up on the hill over here, and then someone up on the hill over here. But super peaceful. So I'm going to be rolling out of here. I'm going to meet up with Nick one more time. I'm going to head over his way this time, and I'm going to give him a hand. He's actually picking up a small swimming pool. It gets real hot here in Arizona in the summertime, so he's trying to be proactive. So I'm going to give him a hand with that, and then we'll spend some more time hanging out, do some more video stuff, and then I got to think about where I'm going to go from here. Had to make some changes with my mobile internet, so I'll talk about that a little bit. I do get a lot of questions about what I use for mobile internet, and kind of been through a lot of different options, and I'm hoping this most recent change will be the best one yet. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'm going to get the van packed up here and get rolling. All right, so we're getting started on the trail here. It is pretty magnificent country out here. Look at this. I'd say it's real nice.
Away we go.
This was definitely worth the hike to get up here. It's pretty epic wilderness out here. It's neat to see little pools of water still here, some standing water, and a little bit of wildlife, some squirrels, chipmunks, saw a little frog hopping around, and what else did we see? I guess that's it. But we're gonna make our way down. Thanks for bringing me up here, man. This was an awesome hike.
Yeah, this is a cool one, huh?
Yeah. So we're back at Nick's place here. We're gonna hang out for the evening. I'm actually gonna just park the van in the driveway here and spend the night. But we got the grill going. I broke out some of those elk steaks I got that my buddy Todd from the meetup gave me. So we're gonna try out some elk steaks, probably throw a few burgers on there too, and do a little grilling and chilling.
Grilling and chilling.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
All right, the elk steaks are on the grill. Seasoned them up with just some salt and pepper. We'll see how they turn out. There it is. We are stacked. We got elk steaks and burgers. We're good to go. These are just beef burgers, but those are the elk steaks. We're gonna go give them a try.
It's glorious.
Beautiful. Well, thank you for being here, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give you a little glimpse into van life. Sometimes can go from things just not working out to not knowing what the heck you're doing to making new friends in the middle of the desert. So it's all part of the adventure. We are going to be saying hi to Nick again in the next video. He's going to give us a glimpse of his van because it is for sale. And then I've got some renovations I'm going to be doing on my van. I'm going to go out and find a camp where I can settle down for a little bit and get some work done. So we'll bring you guys along. Hope you're doing well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.